Ever found yourself staring at a foreign ATM, wondering if your trusty YouTrip card will actually work? It's a question many of us have, especially when the excitement of travel mixes with the slight panic of will I be able to get cash? Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTrip and overseas withdrawals, answering that burning question, can you actually use your YouTrip card to get cash abroad? YouTrip has become a popular travel companion for many, promising competitive exchange rates and a convenient way to manage your spending in different currencies. But the real test comes when you need physical cash. Let's face it, while card payments are becoming more prevalent, there are still times when you need local currency in hand for tipping, smaller vendors, or those charming little shops that don't accept cards. So, can YouTrip be your go-to for these cash withdrawals? The short answer is yes, you can withdraw money overseas using your YouTrip card. However, like most things in life, there are a few important details you need to know. It's not as simple as just sticking your card in any ATM. First, let's talk about ATM compatibility. YouTrip works with most ATMs that display the Visa or MasterCard logo. These are the two major card networks that YouTrip operates on, so look out for those symbols. If you see either of them, chances are your YouTrip card will work. However, always double-check the ATM itself for any specific instructions or network logos. Now, here comes the crucial part, fees. While YouTrip itself doesn't charge a fee for overseas ATM withdrawals, the local ATM operator might. This is a charge levied by the bank or company that owns the ATM, and it's completely separate from YouTrip. These fees can vary significantly, so it's wise to do a little research beforehand. Some ATMs might display the fee before you proceed with the withdrawal, giving you the chance to cancel if it's too high. Others might surprise you with the charge later. To minimize these pesky fees, try to withdraw larger sums of money at once, rather than making multiple small withdrawals. This way, you'll pay the ATM fee less frequently. Also, consider using ATMs affiliated with major banks, as they sometimes have lower fees compared to standalone ATMs. Another important point to remember is your daily withdrawal limit. YouTrip, like most cards, has a limit on how much cash you can withdraw within a 24-hour period. This limit is in place for security reasons, protecting you against fraud or theft. You can usually find information about your withdrawal limit in the YouTrip app or on their website. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this limit before you travel, so you're not caught off guard. Finally, always inform YouTrip about your travel plans. While not strictly necessary, it's a good security practice to let them know where and when you'll be traveling. This helps them monitor your card activity for any suspicious transactions and prevents your card from being blocked. You can usually do this easily through the YouTrip app. So, to recap, you can definitely use your YouTrip card to withdraw cash overseas. Just remember to look for ATMs with the Visa or MasterCard logo, be aware of potential ATM operator fees, understand your daily withdrawal limit, and consider informing YouTrip of your travel plans. With a little planning, you can access cash conveniently and avoid any unexpected surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.